Get ready to check out 25 of the best, scariest, and spookiest Halloween decorations of 2024. Links to all the Halloween decorations are in the description below. We start with number 25, the dange witch's porch banners. These are a fun and simple way to decorate your front porch or entryway for Halloween. These hanging banners create a festive atmosphere, welcoming visitors with spooky charm. Available now for $8, down from $15. They are perfect for enhancing your Halloween style. 24. The unitwoo Halloween paper lanterns are the perfect addition to your Halloween decor. This black, orange, and purple set includes essential decorations for any spooky celebration or theme party. Originally priced at $15, these lanterns are now available for $13. 23. The elel Halloween flickering candles feature spooky Halloween-themed decals, including a black crow, spider on a web, and a human skull. These candles create a creepy atmosphere, perfect for enhancing your Halloween home party decor. Priced at $25, they add an eerie touch to any celebration. 22. The Joy Graveyard tombstones feature spooky and unique designs that create a chilling atmosphere. Made to look like realistic stone, these tombstones are perfect for yard decorations, Halloween parties, carnivals, and mazes. Originally priced at $31, they are now available for $24. 21. The Fun Little Toy Skull curtain door cover features two silver grommets at the top, making it easy to hang. These spooky curtains are perfect for decorating windows or doors in your bedroom, living room, guest room, or dining room. Available now for just $4. They add a festive touch to your Halloween decor. 20. The Hulit LED skeleton arms are made from high-quality, durable plastic, ensuring safety and longevity. These waterproof, battery-operated decorations can withstand various weather conditions, making them ideal for both indoor and outdoor Halloween celebs. Originally priced at $25, they are now available for $21. Perfect for adding spooky charm to your decor. 19. The Waterglide Halloween candle lights stakes feature lighted skeleton hands, perfect for decorating your garden this Halloween. Simply connect the candle to the stake and insert it into soft soil, with waterproof LED lights and a bendable wire. These decorations are ideal for enhancing outdoor spaces like lawns, porches, and gardens. Available for $19. 18. The Turn Me On 12-foot giant Halloween inflatable features 4 stacked pumpkins, each with unique expressions and wearing a witch hat. This eye-catching decoration is perfect for both indoor and outdoor Halloween displays. At 12 feet tall, it adds a fun and festive touch to your holiday decor. Available for $59. 17. The payu Halloween tree features 24 purple lights and comes with a bag of Halloween ornaments, including 8 bat decorations and 3 mini figurines. This set allows you to create a unique and festive indoor Halloween display. Priced at $16, it's a great addition to your seasonal decor. 16. The Coquimbo Halloween decorations indoor lights are battery-powered, eliminating the need for inconvenient power outlets. Powered by 3 AA batteries, which are not included, these string lights make it easy to decorate any space without worrying about electrical sources. Available now for just $6, they are a simple addition to your Halloween decor. 15. The Funpenny Hanging Ghost outdoor Halloween decorations add a unique touch to your Halloween celeb, making it stand out to neighbors and friends. These decorations enhance the spooky atmosphere of the season, creating a festive vibe. Available now for $23. They are a great addition to your outdoor decor. 14. The Levada Halloween yard signs are perfect for creating spooky scenes in outdoor patios, lawns, haunted houses, and parties. These warning signs add a fun and frightening touch to your Halloween decor. Priced at $15, they can easily be set up and taken down after the season's festivities. 13. The non-new Coffin letterboard is perfect for adding spooky vibes to your home. Ideal for Halloween decor or anytime you want to keep the scares alive. This unique board lets you create fun messages. It is now available for $36, down from the original price of $44. 12. The Wine Savant stemmed skeleton wine glass adds a fun, spooky touch to your gatherings. Perfect for Halloween or any occasion. These unique glasses enhance your drinking experience. Priced at $34, they are a must-have for those who enjoy themed celebrations. 11. The Flickering Halloween pillow covers are crafted from durable polyester and linen, offering a soft yet slightly textured feel. The fabric is breathable and skin-friendly, with a charming Halloween pattern on one side. These pillow covers are currently available for $9, originally priced at $12. 10. The Worker Adams Family Thing Hand, featuring Wednesday's iconic character, is crafted with realistic detail. Every scar and stitching line on the palm is carefully restored, making it a true work of art. Priced at $13, it's a great addition for fans of the Addams Family or Halloween decor. 9. The Scranton Black Halloween Bat Wreath is decorated with artificial bats, branches, and glittering accents. Perfect for creating a spooky Halloween atmosphere in your home. This eye-catching wreath adds a festive touch to your decor and is priced at $23. 8. The Oriental Cherry Skeleton Candle brings a spooky glow to your October nights. Perfect for Halloween decor. Its eerie design adds a haunting touch to any space. Priced at $21, it's an ideal choice for lighting up your seasonal celebrations. 7. The Homori Halloween Orange Tealight Candles are flameless LED lights that create a warm, festive atmosphere. Perfect for holiday decorations, especially Halloween. These tea lights offer a safe and cozy glow. Available now for $15, down from the original price of $19. 6. The Oscar Fire Pit Skull adds a fun and unique element to gatherings around the fire with family and friends. Its spooky design makes it a great conversation starter, perfect for outdoor fires. Priced at $73, it's a great addition to any fire pit set. 5. The Joint Animated Hanging Grim Reaper features a classic black and white outfit with flashing red eyes that are sure to catch attention. Originally $43, it is now available for $32. 4. The Aseno Realistic Skeleton Stakes are great for adding a spooky touch to your garden or lawn. These realistic skull decorations are sure to surprise and scare your friends. Priced at $23, they bring eerie fun to your outdoor decor. 3. The Moonbo Bloody Garland banner is made from a thin, bendable laminated plastic sheet designed to have a shiny, metallic appearance. It's perfect for decorative use during Halloween, but not intended as prop-style weapons. Available now for $16. 2. The Anen Bros 5-foot hanging corpse is designed to create a realistic and terrifying Halloween horror scene. Its large body bag adds a chilling atmosphere of murder and death, making it perfect for haunted houses or spooky decorations. Available now for $18. 1. The Joint 63-inch Halloween Realistic Hairy Spiders with red eyes are perfect for creating a creepy and spooky atmosphere in your home, office, or Halloween events. Great for parties, haunted houses, and more. These decorations are available for $25, down from the original price of $29. That's it for this video on the best Halloween decorations of 2024. We hope you enjoyed it. Do like, share, and subscribe to get more from Up on Top. Also do share your tips and suggestions in the comments section below.